Okay, I'm outside. I've got the new mini fire pit my wife picked up. Typically it mounts in the center of the table. This is what's going to hold the gas bottle underneath the table. So you get started here by taking this little fastener off the bottom. And when you put your gas in, that gas container is going to thread right on the inside of this here. Let's put it in place. It's pretty sturdy on there. Pretty sturdy on there. There's kind of labels all around it. Put it here like this, I guess. Now this is going to mount up underneath, and then this is going to screw on the threaded piece. Let's see if I can get under here. If I can't, we'll have to do this another day. Let's drop us down underneath here. See if we can actually get a shot of this. That's where I'm going. I'm going right here. Let's see now. Yeah, what we got. Yeah. There we are. So the gas mount is attached. That's good. That's all I have to do underneath there for now. I'll be right back with the rest of the stuff for this. And I'm back with the stuff. I've got the glass fire ring, and I've got the little stones there. So I'm gonna start off by putting the fire ring in here. Okay. Alright, I spilled a little bit. Let's smooth this out. I'll pick up the ones I spilled over here. And and then we'll be all done. You're looking pretty good. Right, that's the tabletop fire pit install. We've probably got a good 3 weeks before we start using it. The nice thing about out here is that it's under a gazebo that we put in last year. And this was a project, a big project. But I'm kind of glad she bought it. Now, I guess one of the problems that we reported with this is that after maybe 3 or 4 times of using it, the lighter doesn't work anymore. But we'll find out. Maybe that's because most people have it out in the open, but this is covered, so I want to thank you for stopping by, watching the video, and check it out, will you? Take care.